So today I'm at the flat at 20 Westgate Street. It's right opposite the multi-storey car park, the bus stop, so it's really convenient for the town. You're very close to the castle and there's an outside area there to walk dogs or whatever. It is a perfect spot for somebody who wants to live in the town. There is 3 bedrooms really in this property, 2 on the first floor. And then above that, the loft has been made into a room. You've got Velux windows and a bathroom with a bath up there, and a place that could be the 3rd bedroom. And the current vendor has used it for a bedroom before, but currently it's just used for storage, and there is still a little bit of loft storage left as well. So I'm going to show you the property, and then when you're ready and you'd like to view for yourself, do give us a call on 01566 776 211 and we'll get that arranged for you.